Hi guys, it's me, ColorMeCassie, and today I have a Glossybox battle of the boxes with two Glossyboxes from January of 2018. So guys, today I have two Glossyboxes. I don't have a Glossy versus Boxy video this month because I did my BoxyCharm unboxing yesterday, so if you want to see that video, go check it out. I'll have it linked up here in a card. But today we're doing a Glossybox versus Glossybox video because I accidentally have two boxes this month. Glossybox contacted me and was like, hey, do you want free boxes for you to review? And I was like, yes, obviously, because I already do your unboxings. And so they sent me one, and I canceled my other subscription. But I'm not sure if I got it in time or something, but I'm getting a second box this month. So I thought I would do a fun Glossy versus Glossy video. See who wins out. See which one is better. I don't know. And you guys, before we get started, I just wanted to introduce myself to those of you guys I don't know yet. Hi, my name is Cassie. It's nice to meet you, and I would love for you to become friends with me on the internet. And how you can do that is by scrolling down and clicking that red subscribe button down below. And you can also hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I make a new video. Also, I wanted to let you guys know I have a 10,000 subscriber giveaway going on right now. And there's going to be 2 grand prize winners with a ton of makeup palettes in those grand prizes, and also a ton of secondary winners as well. And that only goes to the end of January, so you've not got that long left, so make sure you go check that out before it is over. I'll have that linked up here in a card and also down below. So without further ado, let's jump into this Glossy versus Glossy video! Woo! First Glossy box today. I open it up. I've got this little thing in here. I've never seen something like this inside the box before. It's a gift card! That is so cool! It's for glasses. I think sunglasses, but it's a $25 gift card. That's very fun. Sweet, I'll have to see if I can use that. So it says Fresh Face on here, and this is just the little Glossybox pamphlet thing. Okay, first thing I'm seeing here is a Steve Laurent something lip gloss. I don't love lip glosses, you guys, but maybe this is a special kind. It is a special packaging kind. That is really cute, you guys. That's freaking cute. So opening it up, you know, it really just seems like a lip balm. So definitely something I would use. I don't think it's very glossy at all. It just seems kind of balmy. Yeah, not very glossy. Just a little balm. It says on the little card here that is the Steve Laurent lip tint in Dusty Rose. So it doesn't say it's a lip gloss. It says that it is $22. So that's a lot to pay for a little lip balm. But you know, whatever floats your boat. I wouldn't probably pay more than $10 for a lip balm. For a lip balm, I probably wouldn't pay more than $10. Next thing I'm seeing in here is the Restore Moisture and Shine to Lackluster Hair from Theory. It's the marula oil. So in here we just have a little marula oil sample, and it's definitely a decent size. You don't need a whole lot of oil in order to use it on your hair, so this will definitely be good. I don't think this is a full size though. My paper's folding. So the full size is 3.4 ounces, and this is about 1/10 of the size. The full size price is $26, so that would make the price of this about $2.60 or something like that. So not great to get a product that's only worth like $2.60, but not terrible. Next thing I have in here is a Buxom mascara sample. That doesn't really excite me a whole lot either. It's nice to get a mascara, but you know, this is a $20 box. I feel like it shouldn't be a sample. But this is the Buxom Big Tease. It definitely looks like an interesting wand, and I want to try it out. We'll just have to see how that goes. Again, I'm not super excited about getting a sample for that, but I'll get by. It says the full size is $22. But that's not the full size for sure. I wouldn't say it's worth more than $5 or something like that. The next thing I see in here is this Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. Yes, I've been needing a facial oil, you guys. I ran out a little while back, and I've wanted one so much since because my skin has just been so dry. So this will be really, really good. I'm excited to get it and use it. I think it will be great for my skin at night because it's been so dry in here, in Minnesota. In the place where I am at, it has been very dry, so that'll be a good thing. It says the price for 1 fluid ounce of this is $58, and we've got a fluid ounce. So theoretically, this is worth $58. I probably wouldn't spend that much on a facial oil, but I've spent probably 30 bucks or something on a facial oil before, so it's not too far off. I maybe it was $40, I don't remember. But I've spent a decent amount on a facial oil before because you really want one that's not going to break you out. Not so far off on that price, but maybe a little more than I would typically pay. And the last thing I have here is this Finland Lumine Lahad Arctic Luminescence Purity Dew Drops Hydrating Eye Gel. Too many words on the outside of this packaging, you guys. I don't know what the heck it's called. Getting into the packaging. It's Cassie proofed. Ah, I got it. Haha, broken. Why is the box so huge for this? Okay, so right here we have the eye gel stuff, and I really like eye creams. My eye area is somewhere I'm really trying to reverse time because I am starting to get a couple little wrinkles down there, and I want to be really proactive about that area of my face. So I am excited about that. It says for a 0.5 fluid ounce, the full size is $15. That is this, so that's the full size. So in this first Glossybox, we got 3 full-size items and 2 partial sizes. I'd say both of these sample sizes are definitely usable, but I do like getting full-size products more. I don't feel like this was as good of a deal as BoxyCharm was. If you want to see what I got in my BoxyCharm, go check out that video. I'll have it in the description. But still a pretty decent deal, and I'm happy with everything that I got. Okay, let's jump right into the second Glossybox. You know, this is going to be really anticlimactic if the same stuff is in here. I did get another gift card, so that's cool. I'm not sure if I can use them both on the same deal, but we'll see. Sweet. Got the exact same thing in the other box. So the boxes are the same. There's no battle. That was very anticlimactic, but that's gonna be it for today's video, you guys. They were about the same. I feel similarly about both boxes. I don't think one was necessarily better than the other. But that just goes to show you guys that the boxes that they send for PR can be the same. I don't know. But the box I got was essentially the same as the PR box. I expected them to be a little bit different, but they are exactly the same. So hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing the difference between a PR box and a regular box. Make sure you go check out my BoxyCharm unboxing to see what I got in that this month. And make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos just like this. Smash that like button if you enjoyed, and go check out my giveaway video. That's pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!